Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast for another unboxing video. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. We got a single unboxing today. This is the Super Van. And actually, this is a 70s Dodge van, but it's released just as the Super Van. You see, they made a Super Van from 1977 to 1985. And here's some older variations, and here's one of the newer variations, Burger King promo. But on the wiki, this is called the 70s Dodge van. It's like a completely different casting, even though the casting is identical. I don't know why they changed it up. Hot Wheels Art Cars number 9 of 10, probably because it has a plastic base instead of a metal base on these older ones. Still a really cool casting. The newest version has a jack instead of a king, and it has different wheels, and it is a treasure hunt. Haven't seen that one. Nice and heavy this feels in the packaging. Hot Wheels Art Cars number 9 of 10. This is a 2020 issue for Hot Wheels. 68 of 250. USA card. Scored this at a Family Dollar maybe a couple months ago. Or maybe 1 month ago. I don't remember. GHC 21, and it's from the Diecasts for 2020. Super Van, Hot Wheels Art Cars, colorful, art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. Oh yes, 2017 copyright. Can't wait to get this casting out of the packaging. Beautiful clean open there. And liking the weight to this. There's the king there. A deck of cards. Hot Wheels Art Cars. Liking the chrome red wheels. That's pretty cool. It says king right there. Hot Wheels design. Really liking this retro styled van. Here's the grill. All the white is metal. You can see how similar the casting is. It's basically the same. It says Ace on the top. So it has Ace and King on the same vehicle. Those are 5-spoke wheels, by the way. Can you see inside? Here's the inside. Red tinted windows. King again. Back is completely blank and white. And there is a plastic base on this. Made in Malaysia. Really liking it. Really liking the weight on it. All the wheels spin well. Thank you for tuning in. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye.